Okay, we've got some interesting stuff with us today. We'll show you what we've got because I think it's going to be of interest. Hopefully the person who I've borrowed it off isn't going to be trying to square up any plumbing. I think the video's just about picking this up. We've got a laser alignment. You can see that there. Got it set up on the back. It's coming across. Gives you a flashing line there, and it gives you a vertical line if it focuses in on there. Can't really see it too well, but you can see it with the naked eye. Probably see it with a camera. It's a laser leveling device. You can see it there too. It gives you the line across and that way. So you can obviously set it up to where you're aiming. Then you can set in. It's just a Stanley. It's clip it onto your golf club in your back, as you can see, and it illuminates it. Probably better using that type of thing at the driving range when it's a wee bit darker. Overcast, you can see it quite flashing there, quite clear. It's like a T-bar alignment on your ball too, so it doesn't affect you hitting the shot because you can hit right through that laser. It doesn't make any difference. And working on this, you can see there clearly this takes your alignment for your feet. Right, you can position it with the irons or your driver, and you want to be inside that red line using the force of the lever with your hands into your body, just like what Hogan and that all explained. And I think it works quite well. We'll hit a few, try and film it, show you what's happening. We've got Major League, as you can probably hear, Major League Scotland War. So arms on the light. So that's it. It's because it flashes. I think there's probably a setting you can get that keeps it from flashing. I haven't quite worked it all out yet. Like everything, get there eventually. Also, it gets your head behind that line. I don't know how much these laser alignment things are. I don't know. I've not priced it. It might be quite expensive, but I'm not sure. As per usual, the mat is knackered. It's been exposed to all the rain, the wind, and set up, bring it in. good for that. Probably hit other clubs with it, obviously. I can't touch that now because I've got my camera set up. Maybe swap the camera around and then show you it. But it's good for checking your head. You're locked in position here. If I ever catch one, I'll let you know. Still not warmed up. That was one. See how it lights up the ball as well. So if anything, it's checking that you're lining up. Right? So I can swing through on that line. My hands in. Oh yes, you can see the ball actually tracks and lands on the line. Because it's a laser and it flashes, it does take you a few hits to get used to it, but because it's not a constant line, and also the fact that you've not drawn anything or put lines down or poles down, you don't need to worry about hurting yourself or your clubs or anything. And like I said, I'm making sure I'm parallel to that with the Varden triangle behind me. And I swing round and I keep everything head behind the shot. And from there, I can just let the club go. So I don't know how much these lasers are. It's a level laser, you know, the ones you can point on a wall for putting plumbing up dead straight. You can also do marking any surface dead straight because it's a laser. But it's clever how it does the horizontal and the vertical. Because it's handy for golf, that. And you can see even marks the ball. So if you put it like that, you kind of hit inside the ball. See how that line's inside the ball? So if I set up like that, that's me just thinking inside the ball. I'm really hitting a draw here. That definitely was turning over. So yeah, you do the other side of the ball, try and hit a cut. Instead of the middle, take over. Changes your attack line, so you'll be coming more that way. I don't know how much these are, look them up. But like I say, it's a Stanley. I don't think they're that expensive. Laser thing, and because it gives you this and that, and it goes over the ball, and you can just drop your ball in. And because it's a laser, it never moves. Once you've set it up. I think it's not a bad practice thing. You can see it hitting the back of the club there. Oh, lined it again. Well, thanks for watching the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Macmillan, Healthy Heroes, Shelter UK. Share, subscribe, do whatever you want. It's actually so calm, hardly any wind. Amazing. What a difference a day makes. Blowing a gale here yesterday.